My name is Andy Mann. I'm the Systems Manager at Capital Veneering, and I've been working with them for 15 years. We're a commercial and residential fit-out joinery company, mostly commercial, also fit-outs for government works. With a residential side as well, where we'll do full house fit-outs, kitchens, wardrobes, the whole lot. So we first reached out to Panel Tools about 2 years ago. We were having some issues with lifespan and quality of cut with our main cutters. Gave Fraser a call, talked to him about our issues. They sent down some test cutters and we've just been staying with them because we've had such an improvement with our lifespan and speeds and quality of the cut. It's definitely collaborative with Panel Tools. Working through the issues that we've had with our cutters, we've had a big impact. The communication has been great. The efficiencies that we've gained with the new cutters have been a big improvement. It's saved money for Capital Veneering, but it's also meant that we can cut more because we're not changing our cutters as often. The knowledge base that Panel Tools have is really good. It really complements the work that we do here at Capital Veneering. So the two cutters that we use mainly at Capital Veneering are the Extreme Blue 2-wing compression cutter and the 3-wing turbo compression cutter. And we've had huge improvements in the lifespan using those cutters. We're finding we're not replacing cutters for 2 or 3 weeks at a time. I do enjoy working with Panel Tools. Their experience and their knowledge base has been really good for us. Definitely look forward to what we're going to do in the future with the 5-axis machine.